Good day to you. My name is Mark Fitzgibbon and welcome to my vlog. So I picked up Die Son op Sondag and found this lovely article on page 24 called Moan by Auntie Mona. Daar sit Auntie Mona met haar groot tette. The one is a bit lopsided, but you know that's normal to have one tit lopsided. Anyway, Auntie Mona is basically where you can send in problems or issues that you are having in your life, and Auntie Mona will give you advice. Great advice. I thought that I would go through some of these problems and give my opinion on these birds, eh? These birds in here are making me just. So, there's this lovely story and it's called Tik op ou gebruik net girls. Liewe Auntie Mona, vandag wil ek die jong meisies waarsku, veral die op Facebook. Daar is 'n man met die naam Didi wat vroumense gebruik. Hy is baie glad met sy mond en sodra hy gekry wat hy wil hê, los hy die vroumens. Daai man het my al kaal bestel. Hy is 'n tikkop. 'n Tikkop. En ons gaan al vir 6 jaar uit. Poes. So, that is what some thief sent to Auntie Mona to discuss. What I think about this situation is you warning other girls about this thief that is now glad met sy mond, but you going out with him for 6 years. Warning other girls about your slit husband, that you're not focusing on what is happening inside of your own house. If he's been cheating on you for the past 6 years, what says that he will not stop being such a thief for the next 6 years? He's a tikkop! And you have 2 children. And what's the name is Didi? Drunk driver, dom donor. Shut up! Dirk Doos. I will use die Son op Sondag to moer you in your gefried hond. Excuse me. So my advice to you from Mark Fitzgibbon is, firstly, dump the donor se holborsel. Tikkoppe are the worst. They're wasting up our oxygen in the city. I mean, come on now. Tik is wrong. Secondly, sort your shit out, because only a dumb nut will warn other girls about your thief husband. There are many mental asylums in town. Probably a good idea to go into one of them. Thirdly, don't now go and get another tikkop thief, because it sounds like you are into those tikkoppe, because if you can be with a tikkop for 6 years, there's no stopping you from finding another poes tikkop. Leave the tikkop alone, meneer Regina! Here, Fairuz. Her name is seker Fairuz. I have a feeling that this woman's name is Fairuz. Poes. Find a way to make the lives of your children much more better. If your husband's a tikkop and your brother's a tikkop, your babies are gonna be tikkop also, man. You deserve much better than this life that you are living. Just moor the tikkop with a nutlap and cuck in his face. That always works. They hate it. The tikkoppe hate it when you cuck in their mouths. Thank you and food check.